Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a medical ID. A medical ID is provide medical information about you that may be important in an emergency like allergy and medical conditions. The medical ID can be accessible from the emergency dial pad without unlocking your phone. So if you don't know how to create your medical ID, then watch the full video and after that you will be able to do this. So let's get started. Tap at your settings. Now scroll it up until you see the option emergency SOS. Now scroll it up. At the bottom you can see set an emergency contact in health. Appears on screen you can see create a medical ID. Just tap on it. At the top you can see enter your name, add your photo, date of birth, medical conditions if you have any prescriptions, or second one is medical note, enter your medical note, and the third one is allergics and reactions. If you have any problem with some medicines you can also edit it, and the fourth one is medications. If you're taking some medications, just tap at this. At the bottom you can see a plus point. Add your blood type, add your organ donor, weight, height, add your primary language, and the end you can see add emergency contact. Now select your contact and now tap at next. Now appears on the screen you can see and the medical ID has been created. Just tap and done. Like this you can easily create your medical ID. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.